So guys, if you promote any website, any YouTube channel, how we can starting for campaign for Twitter ads. So how to create? The complete rules was changed for Twitter campaigns. First of all, we can go to this option here. So guys, in this promotion purpose, how to using for Twitter ads. So just I'm scrolling here in this. If I am showing for promoted option, the all will be coming to the Twitter ads. So just I'm scrolling here where is showing for Twitter ads option. So just I'm calling here option. If you're not showing for refresh once again. So my Twitter basically promoting for YouTube channel videos or particular website. I can promoting for apps also. What is the new advantage option will be given by the Twitter? So what is the option will be here? So Vivo will be create option will be video is a newly launched for particular mobile option. That is option will be promoted particular video. So now how we can starting for ads? The option will be Twitter ads option. When enabled by Twitter ads, is asking for two things. Add new credit card, business or personal. Previous only will be option. No other options are they given. Business or personal nothing given. Now only here. If you want to see Twitter ads, private or non-business purpose, use it by individual, non-profit here. Business, if you want stand gain your economic advantage by promoting goods or services and Twitter ads. Here this all will be. I'm going to where personal or business. Anything will be selecting for option. Right now I'm using for my personal account. So I'm using for personal option. Click for next. After that, add your address, add your details. Close your option. So right now I'm not adding any funding details. Right now, I'm clicking for start the campaign option where Twitter. Select here, the option will be view profile and sign out is there. So how we can creating ads? In this purpose, when your profile below option, the show option will be called edit access to account. Edit access to account. Select here. Here, the option name is called view ads manager. Every Twitter same procedure will be open. View ads manager. After this one, here the show option name is called create campaigns. The campaigns are total will be given by the particular option in this campaigns are there. The total campaigns will be 8 campaigns are here in this reach, video views, app re-engagement. In this complete for major three categories. Awareness, consideration, conversion. Awareness nothing but reach. Maximum you can add reach for the particular audience. Video views, all we can say the video. People watching, retweet or like the particular promotions. Pre-roll views, the nothing but when people play the video, in between the video will be play. In this as we have to learn purpose, we have the one particular URL will be there. Every particular understanding. So how we can creating campaign, any further doubts, we can particular one URL will be there. They help to how to create the campaign. Any further doubts, we can go through the particular website. I'll give the website URL. So these are the URL. Just I'm copy, open here, particular option, business.twitter.com/en English advertising iPhone campaign iPhone types.html. This will be any further information we have to go the particular website is called business.twitter.com. Anything you have to understanding this option. You click for advertisement here. The every advertisement we can learning for in this option campaign types and give the direct URL, or we can go for business.twitter.com/ go for advertising, click for campaign types. Here, which campaign you have to learn, reach campaign in this video view, in the pre-roll views, select it in this. They give the complete information will be here, how to create the option. Everything will be given in the particular option. Get the details and learn more this option. Every information they give by in the particular option. If we start campaign, they go to campaign option will be here. Same will be go to the campaign option will be here. So in this particular option will be there. every option you have to read. The every option will be given in the particular learn more option. Total how many categories? Awareness, consideration, and conversion. In this, I have to selecting one campaign name is called video view campaign. Just I'm showing for one campaign. How will we create the one campaign will be here. Selecting for video view campaign. Nothing but we have to promote our video will be like this with our content. The content will be only writing for 255 characters. How many? You can writing for 255 characters. They can write it for 280 characters, but we're writing up to 256 characters. Next, they asking first of all your budget of the campaign name and the budget. DTS video views. Is nothing what Digital Rakesh I'm writing for something here. This I'm writing in this DR video views. They only accepting credit or debit card. No other option will be given. Set your daily budget $10. Total budget will be $100. They run by total 10 days. So if you specify for the start date and end date, any will be based on your request. Suppose you can selecting for budget will be total budget, not for daily budget. Go with the don't specify for the end date option. Now, next. Here, first of all, add the group option. So I'm adding for groups, the particular group nothing, but you have to specify the particular campaign. When you write the start time and end time, any specific time you run the ad, nothing but suppose you're running for morning something time, suppose 6 o'clock to only evening 6 o'clock or 10 to 6 o'clock, any particular timing, they go for in the group option will be given certain option. How much ad group? Same daily budget, $10. And here one more question is there. So can we selecting for Indian dollars, Indian rupees? We can't. Only the selecting for dollars will be only Twitter ads. And bid type, they give by the maximum bid. The bid charges will be 0.09 to 0.33 in between the range. And here they give the three options for the cost appearance. That is the bid amount. For 3 seconds, 100% view. Any people watching for 3 seconds, they charge your video. For video view, complete for video view, and for 6-second video view. So three options are flexible. I'm adding for per video view. Suppose people watching for 6 seconds, they will be charged. There's a no use. The complete video when watch, they will be charged your particular campaign option. This is compulsory you have to follow. In this purpose of creating for ad, they're totally targeting for three steps. First step will be ad group. Specific time run the ad and particular budget selection purpose and bid type. Automate bid or maximum bid. You always selecting for automate bid. The time they're using for, we are watching for 3 seconds, 100% they will be charged. 6 seconds, the video view or per video view watch. I'm selecting always per video view watch option. Now click for next. Here, your target audience. The target audience will be demographics. The first option not very much needed. This will leave it. Demographics. Any gender, male or female, anything. Suppose you can learning purpose, we can learn will be here. I'm showing one option here. Same. Setting for video view campaign. Here will be set this one option. Very small icon will be visible. You can just scroll on and check it out here. So everything will be here. Everything accepting will be options are explained here. Same in the previous icon. Here will be in this. In this time, they not give any other option. Anything you can select your based on your request. Here is the particular option. Which one? Targeting. Any campaign, we have to learn this particular campaign purpose. Just open the video view option. In this option will be given step-by-step guide option, how it is work. Will be read, the particular option will be here. Just read in this particular campaign, complete information, launch your video view campaign. In this, they're visible by the where, home timeline, search option, and view and the particular results. can check the report will be here. You can ask any question will be in the particular. The give answer will be in the below option. Now here I'm selecting here demographic, all age people. I need age range. So we can selecting for age range only for 13 years to 34 years. Japan only. Don't selecting for particular country wise. 13 years to 49, 54, 18 above, 18, 24, 34 and 49. Any option will be here. Japan only don't select it. I'm selecting target will be up to 21 to 49. After that, here we have to selecting for OS versions. OS was nothing but Android OS, iOS OS, and other mobile. We can target for particular mobile device. Next option, platforms. What are the platforms they give? Android device, iOS device, other mobile, and desktop and laptop computer devices. Next one, language. How to target by specific language, English, anything. So I'm target only for English. Add it. Done. Next one, device model. Sony, Apple, any particular specific model you have to target it. You can target by this particular specific device model also. If anyone interview question, shall we promote our Twitter as specific mobile device? S will be promote on the particular mobile device. Suppose your device is not there, you can check will be here. Suppose you can search in for Samsung. Definitely will be there. Every model will be showing for in the Samsung also. Next, carriers. This is nothing but your networks. Depend on India, the network will be designed in the particular option. So yeah, network is we have to share here. Particular India, you can select here, browse. They're showing you a specific network. So your network will be targeting for Vodafone, Idea, any other network. You can target will be carriers. Next will be location. Location based target. And target location will be Hyderabad, my ads. Selecting Hyderabad, click for add. So yeah, my location I'm targeting right now, Hyderabad and India. No need to Hyderabad in India. Hyderabad will be done. So yeah, these are compulsory important OS version, platform, language, device models, and carriers, and the location option. Next, here, target people who first use Twitter on new device or carrier. Any people using first time Twitter and new under any mobile device or any new network in the using mobile phone. Here, within last 1 month, 2, 3, 6, up to 6 months. More than 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago. If you future require, use this target by particular audience. Now, next one. Here is a very important audience future. This audience future compulsory important for every ad. In this, we have to behavior will be completely dependent by the audience future. Even you can target audience, interested audience, conversion topics, followers look like, or keyword target, or movie and TV shows. Where you can target. Suppose you can target by the keywords. Select the keyword. Search for here. Digital marketing ad. The targeting for 32.1 millions of digital marketers are there. Here. Next. SEO. Add it. These are all your particular keywords. SMO. When you are selecting for audience future, the campaign summary people will be selected in the particular option. That is called very important your audience future. Interest. They're showing some interest will be here. What are the interests you can use? Business, every option will be there. Suppose you can using for education. You can check education, news or general info, online education, add it, remove it. You can add it by the online education also. Now we'll be targeting for traffic. 60,400 to 73,900 people will be target. One more option they give another two options. Retarget people who are engaged with your past tweet. Somebody you can watch your past tweet. Same people you can target it. We can go with option will be here. So people will be decreased in this option. So here will be in this. People who saw your tweet, people who saw and engage with your tweet option. All engagement, organic tweets. So they're getting for some audience will be less than. Check it out. Compare with the both will be same. You can target will be option here. Next, expand your audience future. You will be here in this audience future. If you want, you can add the this future also. But right now I'm not using for this future. Additional option. Also target followers of your Twitter existing followers. So selecting for existing followers also. But I'm not for targeting for existing Twitter followers. Just unclick. Finally, my traffic will be here 55,000 to 68,000 option. Suppose if I have any expenditure will be here. So people was increase 65 in this up to 80 will be here. Just we have to wait for some seconds. The target will be finalized. The show will be count will be in this option here. Done. Now click for next. Target audience will be depend on your gender, age, location, language, technology, nothing but voice version, platform, language, device models, your cellular network, and location. Next, audience future dependent by the events, interest, conversion topics. If your anything will be here, check for in the conversion topics here. This is the conversion topics. Next, followers look like. You can check this option here. You can check for in the all option will be here. So keywords and movie and TV shows. Finally click for next. My target audience will be 66,000 to 81,000. Next. After that, we have selecting option will be create tweet, start the tweet option and post your particular video. Just select the video, name for content here, select it in this promote only, click for tweet. Tweet will be done. If I go for next, everything will be selected here in the particular campaign. Click for launch your campaign option will be here. So what are the campaign you create? Finally, what we are selecting for launch campaign option. So this is a way you have to creating for launch the campaign for the Twitter to promoting for view purpose. Any further doubts, you can go for in this option, selecting for campaign types. You can learn everything will be in this particular option. Any further doubts or you can clarify purpose, you can ask me in my channel comment. I definitely will be help on the particular every option. So same like in creating for remaining campaigns. What are the campaigns you want? Create the particular campaign option.